Welcome back to another episode of What's the Frame. In this episode, we're going to look at capturing the finer details on a building. So often when we're capturing architectural photography, we're looking at the wider frame, which is obviously the building in its entirety or a particular elevation of that building. But just as important is the finer details that sort of make up that property. So whether it's a texture, whether it's a certain type of facade, whether it's a glass window, for instance, those features all add up to giving the overall feel of a building, and it's something that's really important for us to capture. In this picture, what we've done is capture a facade of the building. And the reason why I think it works is, first of all, the angles that it takes, which are a bit of a contrast because it is a bit of a mix match. So we shot it at a slant side, so this straight edge is actually slightly diagonal, which goes into these lines and also follows the line of the window. So you've got lots of different shapes within this image. And what helps to really make this image come together is the different colours that are within it. So had we have shot this orange that runs through the middle of the shot, had we have put that towards the edge more, you might have lost it and it would have been more of a framing detail. But because it runs through and it's such a contrast to the greys and the blues in the rest of the image, it really helps to draw the eye line around those diagonals in both directions. On top of that, we've got the window, which really pumps in a lovely blue colour, which is really obviously separate to the orange and very different. So that gives a really nice contrast. And that is why I like this image.